Well, I mean, a war makes a child no longer a child, because it takes away everything that a child had and everything that a child has a right to have, from the right to going to school, to a safe environment, to happy parents, to working parents, to ability to pursue their hobbies and interests, and to be safe, and to be, all of this is gone. So everything that makes your childhood, that makes you a child, is gone and taken by war and replaced with a completely different reality, where you have to think about, whether you will survive, which is not even that huge, but it's the kind of worry: what will happen to your parents, what will happen to your grandparents, to your family, to your friends, what will happen to you if you suddenly can no longer walk, or if you lose an arm, or, what will you eat, when will this ever end? Will you be, the fact that you're cold, the fact that you don't know when you're going to go to school next, the fact that you don't have friends that you can see because it's too dangerous, every time you leave the house, you're exposed to danger of being killed, that's my kind of situation, but it's, there are different versions of this story, but the story in the end is the same. A war child is not a child.